Question number 16. The third term of an AP is given 16. Third term is given 16. So A3 is 16. And the difference between the seventh and the fifth is 12. Okay, seventh and fifth term is 12. That means the seventh term is exceeding the fifth term by 12. Okay, that is the different formats in which the question can be given. Okay, difference of seventh and fifth is 12, or the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. All these are same. Okay, so seventh term is exceeding the fifth term by 12. So A7 minus A5 is 12. What is A7? A plus 6D minus, what is the fifth term? A plus 4D. Subtract this. A is getting cancelled and we are getting the value of D as 6. Now once we get the value of D as 6, you can put the value here because A3 is given 16. So what is A3? A3 is A plus 2D. And we have got the value of D as 6. Put that here. We get the value of A as 4. Now once we get A and D, you can easily find out the AP. AP will be 4. Then add 6 to that 10. Add 6, 16 and so on. Right? In the 17th question now, the series is given 3, 8, 13 up to 253. So the first term A is 3, common difference 8 minus 3 is 5, and the last term is 253. Okay, now the question has to be marked important. Why? Because here the question is find out the 20th term from the last or from the end. You don't have to find the 20th term from here, because if it is 20th term from here, we'll simply put the formula A plus 19D and get the answer. But this is find the 20th term from the end or from the reverse or from the last. That means 20th term from this side. Okay, not from the beginning to end, from the other side. So what I have done is I have reversed this series. So now if I want 20th term from the end number 253, the last number I have written as first number 253, and the first number I have written as last. So I have reversed it. Now once you reverse it, all you have to do is find out the 20th term from the beginning now, because I have reversed the series and finding the 20th term. So what is the 20th term? 20th term will be A plus 19D. What is A now? 253. So we have changed the series. So don't use this A and D here. Okay, this was of the original series. I am going to use the A and D, which I am going to find out after reversing. So what is the common difference here? 3 minus 8, negative 5. And the last term now is going to be positive 3. So we'll use the formula. An is A plus n minus 1D. What is An? An is your last term. So we are putting that here. A is 253. Okay, n minus 1. Common difference is negative 5. So here we have to find out the 20th term from here. So A20 has to be found out. So I am substituting the relevant values of A and D. So 253, and this is 19 multiplied by 5 minus 5. So that's negative 95. When you subtract 253 and 95, you get 158. Okay. So here the answer will be the 20th term from the end or 20th term from the last will be 158. So kindly mark this question important, because this is not a normal question where the question is find out the 20th term. It is 20th term from the end or 20th term from the last. Then moving on to the next one, question number 18. It is given to you that the 4th and 8th term, the sum of the 4th and 8th term is 24, and sum of the 6th and 10th term is 44. 6th and 10th is 44. So A4 is A plus 3D. 8th term A plus 7D is equal to 24. Here 6th term, that is A plus 5D. 10th term, that is A plus 9D, is 44. Now solve this further. 2A plus 10D equal to 24. And here we get 2A plus 14D equal to 44. Subtract this. We get the value of D as 5. Substitute the value of D as 5 in any of the equations. We get the value of A. Okay, this we have solved by elimination. Once we get the value of A and D, then the arithmetic progression can be found out. Because A is negative 13, common difference is 5. So keep adding 5 to this. So minus 13 plus 5 is minus 8. minus 8 plus 5 is negative 3, and so on and so forth. So this is the first three terms of the AP. So I hope you understood how to make the equations, and then we have eliminated this by using elimination method. We have got the value of D. After getting D, we have substituted in one of the equations. I have substituted here in equation 1. You can also do in 2. You will get the value of A, and once you get the values of A and D, you can find out the AP.